Today in SERDNA Talks, we're going to talk about Domus, a new pre-construction project in Brickell. We haven't launched this project yet officially, so you're the first one to know about it. Right now, this is your best opportunity to lock today's prices. If you reserve today, you won't regret it tomorrow. This project is so new that we only have this render. This 12-story building will offer 171 fully furnished residential units in a variety of sizes and configurations, from cozy studios to spacious two-bedroom condos. You'll get to enjoy luxurious amenities like co-working spaces, high-speed internet, a wellness center, steam room, state-of-the-art fitness room, and a rooftop pool complete with cabanas, a jacuzzi, and a barbecue entertainment area. Domus Brickell Park is located in the heart of Miami, also known as Brickell, just blocks away from fantastic shopping, dining, and entertainment at Brickell City Center and Mary Brickell Village. If you're a sports fan, you'll be pleased to know that the Miami Heat Arena is just a 10-minute drive away. The developer behind this incredible project is North Development, a company that has decades of real estate experience, and they are committed to creating top-notch short-term rental condos that offer maximum value to investors and unforgettable experience to their guests. Domus Brickell Park exterior has been designed by the renowned Zyscovich architects, while the interiors are being taken care of by Urban Robot Associates, a full-service design collective based in Miami Beach. This awesome team at Urban Robot Associates is dedicated to creating unique and functional spaces that elevates the human experience. As you already know, real estate is about location, and Miami has it very clear. Domus is located in the heart of Miami, like I mentioned before. If you or your guest wants to go to the beach, you can simply go to Key Biscayne, which is a 15-minute drive from the building. If you like to go shopping, you can go to Brickell City Center, or if you want to take a walk or run around the city. Soon, we will have the Underline, and the Underline will be a 10-mile linear park that will be developed in Miami-Dade County. When complete, it will run underneath the Conti's elevated metro rail system from the Miami River near Brickell to the metro rail southern terminus at Dayland South. Most of the people that visit or live in Brickell don't even drive. They like to walk everywhere. If you love food just like me, you should go to Sexy Fish and order the most incredible Chilean bass with black truffles. It's so delicious. Or you can also go to Sugar Rooftop, which is located at 788 Brickell Plaza, and you should order the delicious crispy octopus. It's so yummy. If you want to have some fun and educate yourself at the same time, my number one spot in Miami, well, I have two. One of them is Philip and Patricia Frost Museum of Science. That's number one. Number two, well, it's between those two, and the PAM, Paris Art Museum. Those are my favorite places. And Wynwood is also around the corner. And there you will find great art galleries and awesome restaurants as well. One of the most incredible things about Florida is obviously SERDNA Talks. Just kidding. No, I'm serious. I love Florida, and the rest of the world loves it as well. However, big corporations are moving here because of tax benefits. Citadel is building the most incredible office building in Miami. Microsoft is moving to Miami, and LeverX just announced that they are moving from Silicon Valley to Miami. Another awesome project that will take place near Domus will be One Brickell City Center. One Brickell Center is a proposed 80-story office skyscraper in the city of Miami. The tower will be part of the existing 9-acre building city center development. Since we are on the best place on earth, everyone knows what's a cafecito, and Domus will have their own cafecito, where you and your guests will be able to try the most incredible coffees from all around the world, and they will prepare your coffee any way you want. Domus will also have co-working spaces, which is great. There is also a gourmet market on site. That way you won't have to go anywhere to find what you want. You can also take advantage of the on-site bar and network. As mentioned previously, some of the amenities are a pool, a jacuzzi, a barbecue. There's also a Pilates room, a gym, a mini golf, ping pong, and many other things. But if you want to take a ride around the city, you can just grab any bicycle and go anywhere you like. And if you like technology, as an owner, you will be able to see on real time your past, your present, and future bookings. That way, you will always be up to date with your property performance. Let's talk about the deposit structure. You will pay 10% at reservation, another 10% at contract, another 10% at groundbreaking, which will be by the end of summer or fall of this year 2023, another 10% at top off, and 60% at closing, which could be by the end of 2025, and you could finance that 60% if you like. Right now, prices start around $466,000 to almost $900,000. One bedroom condo starts around $620 to $720. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss out this incredible opportunity to invest in one of Miami's most exciting new developments, Domus. If you have questions, remember to subscribe to SERDNA Talks and to share all my videos with your friends and family. I have to go. See you soon. Ciao.